Welcome guys, I'm Kayode Leke. Welcome to today's tutorial video on how you can create um, your Instagram highlight covers using Photoshop. Also, I'll be showing you how you could actually do it on mobile. Now, if you're new to this channel, I'd like you to hit the subscribe button and like and share the videos. And also when you subscribe, hit the bell, click the bell so that you can always get notification of new videos and tutorials that are being created on this platform. So the first thing you need to do is to I've imported the icon I actually want to use as an highlight cover. So what I actually want to use this for is to create an highlight cover for my phone numbers, my contacts, and how to reach me. So I got this online from images, and I've imported it into my Photoshop software. So next thing you need to do is to go to your file and create new. So now the next thing we need to do is to go to our mobile section. So if you know, Instagram is mostly is mostly used on mobile. That's your Android, your iOS, or your Windows mobile phones. So if you're actually working with iPhone, if it's an iPhone you're using, you can use any of these features, but since I use Android, I always like to use this Android settings. So you click Android, then you click OK. Make sure when you click this, always make sure that it's in the portrait um, view. Don't use landscape, make sure you use portrait. So you click create. Alright, so this is how it looks like. So next thing you need to do is to import the image you want to use. Okay, so I just click here and drag inside here. So that's it. Then I think I'm done with this. Okay, so the next thing, I would like to make this image centralized. I like to centralize this image. So I click this, I'll select these two layers. Okay, first of all, let me lock this layer using this lock button here. Okay, so then I select these two layers. Okay, it's not giving me the option of, okay, so let me paint this. Let me remove this from the lock. Let me see if I'm going to have the highlights. Let me select the two layers again. Okay, so it's highlighted now. So what I need to do is to click centralize horizontally and vertically. Okay, so once the image is centralized, you can reduce the size. A bit by pressing your shift. Remember, you centralize it, so you want it to be centralized about this cursor here. Let me show you. Now this cursor here is what you actually need. You to centralize it about this. So if you want to reduce the size, also make sure you reduce the size about this center here. So to reduce the size about that center, you press your shift and your alt button, then you drag it. You can see that. You can see. All right, so just make the size a bit reasonable, then you're okay with this. Then click OK. So once you're done, you can export your file. But first of all, you can give this any color you want. It all depends on what you actually want to achieve. So but for the sake of this tutorial, I like to use white. So you just use this. You can save this in case you want to create more highlights, or you can just export it. You click the save as button, then go to your desktop, then you can change this to PNG. I like to use PNG. Then you can give this, you can name it highlights cover contact. Then you click save. So it asks you, you want to compress it, just click OK. Yep, and that's it. So the next thing you need to do is to take that image and move it to your Instagram app. So I'll be showing you that on mobile. Okay guys, now we are in the mobile view. So this was what we actually created using Photoshop. Now we want to convert it to an highlight cover. So the first thing we do is, once you open the picture, you click on share on your mobile phone. Okay, then here you will see stories. You can see feed, Instagram feed. You can see Instagram stories. So you hit stories, then you post it as a story. All right, so it's been posted as a story here. So the next thing I want to do is I go to my story, then I click highlight down here. So you can see add to highlights, then you can select new. So automatically it makes it an highlight cover. Then you add contacts. You can give it a name. So I want to use it on my own contact, then I'll click add. So you can see added to highlights. Highlights stay on your profile until you remove them. So you click view on profile. Yep, so you can see this is it. So this is the highlights already. So that's how you can actually create highlight covers for your Instagram business account. So if you like this video, hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell button so that you can get notifications of when new videos or tutorials are being created, and also hit the like button and share this video with your friends. I'll see you guys in another video. Stay blessed.